मुर्दाबाद मुर्दाबाद
After Delhi High Court has granted bail to Kuldeep Singh Sengar, women rights activists and left student organizations have called a protest here at the Jantar Mantar against the bail and against the ex-BJP MA Kuldeep Singh Sengar. I'll show you behind me in the visuals that the victim, her mother and activists have gathered here at the Jantar Mantar to show their protest against the High Court's bail, and even you can see they are holding placards in their hand and clearly they are demanding justice for the victim. I'm joined by one of the protesters. Ma'am, what are your main demands why you have gathered here?
Various women organizations, women activists have gathered here in solidarity with the victim and with the hope that tomorrow Honorable Supreme Court will do justice. And also we have felt in these all years that for every small thing, women activists have to come on roads. We have seen in Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh case where the women wrestlers, to have justice, to get the written laws implemented, they have to fight. We have seen in Justice Ranjan Gogoi case when he was awarded Rajya Sabha and women activists were sent to Mandir Barg Thana every day because they were demanding implementation of Vishaka judgment. So in these years we have seen in Kathua how the forest minister have came in favor of the little child as rape and murder accused persons. Forest minister have come openly in their defense. We have seen in Hathras where the Dalit women, she was raped, she was murdered, and how the administration have just silently in absence of the parents of the girl, and how the caste mobilizations have been allowed by the administration. So we have felt that this is how patriarchy works, this is how Manuvada is being worked. So we say that women of this country, first they have to fight for every small law written in their favor, and they have to they have to make the fight more fierce. They have to make the fight more wide to get those written laws implemented. This is the experience of women.
We have also seen that after Kuldeep Singh Sengar was granted bail, now the CBI has knocked the doors of Supreme Court. They have filed an SLP in this case. How do you see this? How institutions are working? How do you see they work?
That's why we feel that yes, okay, Supreme Court, in the judicial process, High Court has done something, and the CBI have gone against in appeal, and we are quite hopeful that Honorable Supreme Court will do the justice.
Now clearly you can see the women rights activists are saying that they only have hope with the Supreme Court, but behind me I'll show you the visuals of Jantar Mantar where you can see the left student organization and women rights activists have gathered here with solidarity with the Unnao rape victim, her mother, and women rights activist Yogita Bhayan, and various other student leaders have gathered here. You can clearly see they are protesting here at the Jantar Mantar. They are holding placards targeting the BJP leaders, and clearly you can see they are also protesting against the bail given to Kuldeep Singh Sengar, and they are not only here to show their solidarity with the now rape victim, but other rape victim and other women also, and they clearly said that they are demanding justice here, they are demanding security for the now rape victim. With the cameraman Ajay Kumar Sinha, Anmol Nath Bali, Delhi.